Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy. Mental alchemy.
Perhaps the night was fun.
Optical illusion. Yeah, I guess I was just seeing things.
I love you, Poppy.
What up, what up, what up, my people? Dreamwise here for another one. What is the Matrix?
You know who I am. You don't know where I am. And you'll never see me coming.
The Matrix is something we can't see. It's more than just an idea or thought form. It encloses everything in its network of ideas, forming one great relationship among many other relationships all at once. The divine intelligence formats unfolds into this mass realm where there are always related probabilities happening together for us to explore when we're not too busy being lost within our own fabulous realities.
Why you bully me?
Think about it. This underlying illusion has you believing you have to go to school, pay taxes, have a job, get a driver's license, pay car insurance, watch a football game every Sunday and say, "That's my team." Now, I'm not saying there is anything wrong with these constructs. I'm opening up you to think about the construct. The glamour is built on the Matrix. The glamour is the illusionary web that makes you feel like you have to be something or strive to live like a rock star. The glamour is the world of make-believe where you can be anyone you want to be, as long as it's within the confines of what's acceptable and popular. But what if there was more to life than just the glamour? What if there was a way to see through the illusion and find out what's really beyond the veil? When I was a kid, my goal was to be in the NBA. Michael Jordan had me in a trance. Like Mike, if I can be like Mike. That commercial was a ritual to hypnotize the masses of low economical boys to fall into the glamour of Michael Jordan. Yeah, a few of us wanted to be professional basketball players. We really did love the game. But more so than ever, we was yearning to get out of the hood and strike gold.
Knock, knock!
Michael Jordan was an idea, a symbol, an archetype of what it means to be rich and famous. But more importantly, he was the glamour that hid the fact that most people will never make it out the hood. The glamour is an opiate for the masses. It keeps us in a dream state while our natural talents and abilities lay dormant.
Message!
The unconscious collective Wi-Fi database was misinforming our minds. Speaking of the unconscious collective, have you ever wondered why the internet is called the World Wide Web? Because it's a global network that ensnares us. A web of collective information that tells us what to think, how to feel, and how to behave. So we thought the fake astral realm was coming in the metaverse. It's already here, Nagas. The Matrix is a neutral divine intelligence. It's simply a tool that can be used for us to learn something new as a soul being traveling through the great by and by. And it's up to each individual to decide how they want to use it. Understanding yourself is key, and that might simply mean you have to let certain people, things, ideas go. But the beautiful thing about letting go, you let God. Dream wise.